Alright guys, I'm here with this sick ass V6 Miata. This thing is so cool. Fetty here too, of course. Probably gonna take some photos and some videos. Taking some drone footy of the Yatas. You're gonna have to talk about your build a little bit.
You don't know what we're looking at here. This is a J32A2 out of a 2001 Acura CL Type S. It's a conversion kit sold by Minitech in the States. So it's a whole new front subframe, but it bolts right up to the factory 5-speed. So it's Miata everywhere but the engine bay and front subframe. Pretty cool build. It's VTEC, so I mean, how can you not love that? Makes about 230 wheel horsepower and about 215 foot-pounds of torque. The same weight distribution. The only thing is the oil pan hangs hella low, so if you take a look at that.
Yeah, that's his oil pan down there.
Bit of a risk.
Right there.
Other than that though, if you want to check out the rest of the car, super clean example of a Miata.
It is really clean, I have to admit.
Original paints, 110,000 kilometer on the chassis, stock interior, you know, even the original steering wheel. It's the out of a Suzuki Cappuccino. There's a windshield wiper fluid, so to keep it simple in there.
Yeah, it keeps it nice and clean. Gets rid of that big ugly.
Yeah, man.
And plus, it looks like you used up that space. What is that there? That your power steering fluid?
Yeah, that's the power steering.
All right, on.
This isn't what the motor comes with originally. This is an adaptation to fit with the Miata hood. As you can see, like, it's cut. And we got some protection up here because this is reverse mounted. So this is actually the air intake on the normal car.
Okay.
But it's blocked off and then flipped, and then you have to add this custom intake piece.
Right on, that's fucking cool. I like the colors, man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man style. Look at this. Matchy matchy. Except yours are clean.
Yeah.
That is so clean inside, man. Yeah, this thing is beautiful.
It's the old man spec. Love that.
Yo, the red and tan is like the nicest combo. What I like is when the guys, they'll put like the tan, like they'll do like black and tan mixture of interiors.
Cars,
yeah, like
seats or something.
it looks so sharp. What's going on? Go for a little ride in the V6 Miata.
Yeah, we'll see what you think.
Yeah, this thing's sick. My baby. Oh shit, that's torquey. You guys were not kidding. Damn.
Yeah, we still got the VTEC working because we had some
many other problems.
Yeah. The steering one's the worst.
Man, I thought we had it sorted. But...
Yeah, that's what he was saying.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Another Miata.
Oh, snap. Miata gang. Damn.
Always parked outside.
Does it get driven ever?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
That was this year, but...
At least it gets driven. Yo, this corner up here, this light sucks. You can't turn it between like certain times. I came up, it was like 3:30. I was like, shit, I can't turn left.
Is it this one?
I don't know, is it this? No, maybe I'm wrong. There's the one by the school that's like super busy. Wow, GoPro face. It's so weird having a GoPro in front of your face. Oh wow, man, that's unreal. You're not even giving it either.
No, not quite.
Yeah, that's a ridiculous amount of torque. Oh, you can hear it open up.
That actually might work.
Ooh! Jeez! That is smooth.
I know, that's the best part.
Damn!
Smooth
Wow! That is impressive, man. Holy! I've never been in a V6 Miata. I've been in a V8 Miata.
Never been in a turbo Miata.
Oh, well, we'll have to change that tonight.
I've sat in one, but never driven it.
It's a little warmer in mine, too. You guys have a hardtop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick. Red, too?
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
It's got a few chips, too.
They all do. So this is the second engine, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks.
Didn't get a whole lot of use out of the first one.
No, it didn't sound like it.
This one's running better. So I think we needed to do it anyway.
Yeah, plus you know everything down, like
Yeah.
you're the ones that, yeah, you put it in, you know how it goes in, you know, like you're prepared in case something happens, you know exactly how to fix it. Jeez. That is awesome.
Yeah, it doesn't sound terrible either.
No, it sounds good.
Some V6s sound a little, I don't know.
Doesn't sound like a four banger, so that's a step up. Oh man, everything about this is nice.
Besides that.
Yeah, too bad that. Yeah, that is just so much torque in there. Yo! I drove for the drone.
How's that?
It was sick, man. Power is unreal. Just instant torque.
It's, it'll get a little spicier.
Yeah.
Missing some things, but actually it kind of sounded like we had VTEC.
The old
It did sound like you hit a little bit
it's
there.
blocked though, because like I feel like it does like crazy.
It opened up. You could feel it open up too. There's like another step.
Maybe not the second.
The old engine we had though, like you hit 4,500, that's all you could hear was fucking VTEC. What? So who knows?
Yeah,
You haven't got it on
definitely
dyno yet.
Turned up for sure.
But yeah, man, you like that thing?
Yeah, it's sick.